Sending money abroad doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an international transfer using the Barclays mobile app, step by step. Start by opening the Barclays app and signing in securely. Once you're on the main screen, tap Pay and Transfer at the bottom. From the list of options, choose International Payment. Now select the account you want to send money from. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then pick the currency you want the recipient to receive. The app will automatically show you the exchange rate and the converted total. Take a second to review everything before moving on. Tap Continue, then add the receiver's details. You'll need to select their country and enter their international banking information, such as the IBAN or account number. Next, you'll see a payment summary page. Check the transfer details carefully, including any notes about fees. Barclays may not charge for some international payments made through the app, but the receiving bank could still apply charges depending on the country. Add a reference for your records and an optional message for the person receiving the money. Then tap Review Payment. For security verification, you might be asked to enter a few card details, like the last 3 digits on the back of your card and the expiry date. Once everything looks correct, tap Confirm to send the transfer. That's all there is to it. Your international payment is now on its way. Thanks for watching, and if you want more simple banking tutorials, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one.